this is how it looks right now, and I wasn't chasing anything crazy, guys.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Morning guys, my name is Kyle. Today I want to show you something I noticed in the free Bitcoin space, and if you think the free Bitcoin is always fake, that's exactly what I thought too. And yeah, this is how it looks right now, and I wasn't chasing anything crazy, guys. I just tested dozens of crypto tools in 2026, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly what I tested and what's happened. This video is strictly for educational entertainment purpose only. Nothing here, guys, is financial advice, and I'm not encouraging anyone to copy what I do. And now it's time to jump inside, and this is the tool I was talking about, so you can check the interface, how it looks inside, and there is a different mods and there is a different steps what I need to do. But first of all, I want to show you the name of this tool, so you can pause the video right now and check the official name of this tool, so you can find it by its name. Right, and I will back to the settings of this application, and first of all let me open the app. And this app is quite famous nowadays, a lot of users using it, and as you can see I already passed one step, I already completed this one. Yeah, and I will focus more on the forward sayings. And first of all, what I want to say, that all information, guys, located here is from open public sources. Nothing here, guys, is private, and you can easily find similar tools online, and the calculator using here is also available on the internet too. And the second step I already completed, and there is a few more, so let me just copy and enter it like that. Alright, so 3 out of 4 completed, that's cool. And the last one, I just need to remember that one. Okay, let me just type like that. And yeah, guys, and that's all. The loading is started, that's really awesome. It means everything connected well. So as I can see, the process already started, and there is a thing I was talking about, guys. Look at that, look at this. Pay attention to this, because this is the most interesting and important part of this video. I will show you everything live right here, right now, because I want to share this with you. Alright, so first of all I need just to follow their pictures what I got it. So let me just try again. Yeah, that's already good. And the last 3 is here, so I need to pay attention to every step what I do. And let me check one more time. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about, guys, and I will do it more. And I'm gonna speed up this part for you, because the process is honestly very straightforward, and it repeats same way each time. Nothing, guys, here is complicated or hiding going behind the scenes. And what surprised me comes up in just in a moment. Nice, guys, nice. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Wow, every time I surprise how it reacts. And now, guys, I'm going to do the last step. This is to send everything back, because this is the whole point of this video. And I will show you this step, because this step is also usually take like a 30 seconds or even 1 minute. So first of all, I just need to grab my information like that. Okay, let me just close it. Yeah, and all I need is just back to the application and enter in this section. Let me confirm. Alright, guys, alright, everything is updated. I got a emoji, that means everything already on the processing. And let me just close this application, and I will show you the name of this tool one more time, so you can pause the video right now. Okay, this is the name of this tool, so you can easily find it by its name. And now the most important point is, let me check the update in the main. So I'm gonna just refresh the page. Usually it takes through, the response is really fast, usually takes like 30 seconds. Or yeah, look at this, guys, that's already appears, that's already updated. And this is what I like this speed and simple steps. Look at this, everything is perfect. Yeah, guys, and if you like my video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press likes, and I'll catch you in another one.